In this video, we are going to be looking at how to forward park to the right. Now, this video is part of our online driving course, and this is a course that I've been building in my spare time as a driving instructor over the last 2-3 years. But recently, we've kind of thought of releasing some of the videos from the course to this channel because we realized that a lot of people learning how to drive, they are either high school students, university students. So we are going to be releasing some of the videos from the online driving course to this channel in the new year. And so today, the first video that we're gonna release is how to forward park to the right. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Consider subscribing for more driving related videos. So let's get into the video of how to forward park to the right. Forward parking right. Parking is one of the most talked about topics in driving. Our speed must be as slow as possible as many pedestrians' activity happen in the car park, especially trolleys and kids running around. Also remember that road rules still apply and we must keep left. Always assume that the car park roads are two ways unless there is a sign. Forward parking to the right is usually the best. There are hundreds of parking techniques that drivers use, but it should all come down to safety. Your supervisor or instructor might have a different approach to what we show you in this lesson. So here, because we drive on the left-hand side, parking to the right is easier. But if you are in a country where they drive on the right-hand side, parking to the left is going to be easier. So everything we're going to talk about is going to be on the opposite. For you, it's going to be parking to the left, but the reference point, they should still be the same. Using the MIM routine, we can park using these steps. M. Check our rear view mirror and right side mirror. I. Indicate right to let other car park users know what we intend to do. P. Stay in our normal driving position. S. Slow down and keep our speed slow. L. Give way to any oncoming road users, including pedestrians. Align our mirror with the line. Some drivers might need to lean forward or align the mirror before or after the line. Turn the steering wheel full lock to the right. Hand-over-hand steering technique is usually the best, but pull-push method can work as well. When the car is almost straight, we want to straighten our tires. Apply the handbrake, select neutral, and cancel the indicator. Check if the whole car is inside the lines. You can either use the mirror, the camera, but it's always better to simply open the door. If the car is not in the lines properly, we need to do more practice and fix the following. The reference point. We might need to align the mirror a few centimeters before or after the line. Some people even find that aligning their shoulders with the line works best for them. So whatever reference point works for you is the best. The speed. We might be too fast or too slow when entering the parking spot. Our steering technique. We might not be steering quick enough. That's it for this video, and I hope you learned something from it. If you did, you can give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more driving related videos. Keep practicing and stay positive. You'll get your license in no time. Thanks for watching.